A high court sitting in Ibadan, Oyo State has awarded a sum of 50,000 naira against the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF Abubakar Malami. The court also extended an order restraining the Department of State Services, DSS, from arresting Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Igboho. Justice Ladiran Akintola issued the order against the AGF at a resumed hearing on Wednesday. The AGF, who was represented in court on Wednesday by his counsel, Abdullahi Abubakar, prayed the court to vacate the restraining order. Igboho's lawyer had asked for a cost of 250,000 naira to be awarded against Malami for filing his response to the suit late, but the court awarded only 50,000 naira. Malami, through his lawyers, also prayed the court to dismiss the case filed by Igboho before the court altogether because the court lacked jurisdiction to hear the matter. They argued that Igboho's claim of unlawful killing, the thought of trespass, assault, and battery could not be brought under Fundamental Rights Enforcement Procedure Rules 2009. Justice Akintola adjourned the ruling on Malami's application to August 30. You see how these people behave. You see how they think. When it comes to the Southern, they don't follow due process. Just because Sunday Igboho is agitating for good governance from their administration, which is the administration of APC. And when it comes to Fulanization, they are ready to support the Fulani people to the core. When it comes to the Southern people, they follow due process. Like I said, the law is embedded, against the Southerners, the Yoruba and the Igbos. If it were to be a Northern or a Fulani man, they would, subside the law. But when it affects them, in the northern region, they believe they can follow the process. For example, like the way Nnamdi Kanu was extradited, to Nigeria, they didn't follow due process. No due process, no due course was followed. They adopted him or kidnapped him and sent him fast back to Nigeria. But when the killing of the 22 or over 22 or 25 people, in Plateau, Jos, took place, they said they need to follow the process. They started arresting those that were involved, and I believe they'll start charging them to court, or not even charging them to court. They will just, persecute them immediately, or they follow due process. In the case of Abba Kyari, also, when FBI indicted him over alleged fraud of $1.1 million deal, but they deem it fit not to extradite him automatically. They believe there are rule of law. There are procedures to be followed. Oh, so they have procedures to be followed immediately when it comes to Abba Kyari, because it's from the northern region or a Fulani man. So there are procedures to be followed. Well, no problem. The High Court sitting in Ibadan, Oyo State, has awarded the sum of 50,000 naira against the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF Abubakar Malami. The court also extended an order restraining the Department of State Security Services, DSS, from arresting Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Igboho, and not only Sunday Igboho, also Sunday Igboho and his family and his aides, that they should desist from his house and his properties, because what they did to him on July 1st was illegal, harassment, illegal, invasion to his house. So courts need to, see to it, and they have seen to it. Like Igboho's lawyer had asked for a cost of 250,000 naira to be awarded against Malami for filing his response to the suit late, but the court awarded only 50,000 naira. Okay, why would the court award only 50,000 naira? Let's watch and see. Now that it's affecting the Southern, let's see how it goes. Maybe Malami, through his lawyers, also prayed the court to dismiss the case filed by Igboho before the court altogether, because the court lacked jurisdiction to hear the matter. They argue that Igboho's claim of unlawful killing, the thought of trespass, assault, and battery could not be brought under Fundamental Rights Enforcement Procedure Rule 2009. So it cannot be brought. They are arguing his claim is unlawful, the unlawful killing, the thought. So it's not even embedded in the rule of law or in the under the Constitution of 2009. Wow, that's a blatant lie, and there is blasphemy in the order of propaganda. Well, Justice Akintola adjourned the ruling on Malami's application to August 30. Let them keep adjourning. The same way, same vein, they adjourned Igboho's aid. So I don't know. Okay, that wasn't even adjournment. They couldn't find the lawyer or the judge that is supposed to preside over their matter. Same vein, they adjourned in Nnamdi Kanu's case also, because they knew quite otherwise that if justice prevailed, or automatically Igboho, Nnamdi Kanu, and every other person that they have violated their human rights would win the case, because it has been embedded under the Constitution. And since they are not following the Constitution, they believe immunity covers them, or they are acting with impunity, and this is unjust, and it's not okay for the public hearing. And meanwhile, Nigerians are already tired of this present administration, the lopsidedness in appointment, the nepotism, coming from President Muhammadu Buhari, and also the genocidal, post most times, or threat against the southern region of Nigeria, especially the indigenous people of Biafra, and Sunday Adeyemo, agitating for the Odua nation. Yes, it's under the constitution to agitate for Odua, or Biafra nation, because it's self-determinant, as far as they have not violated the rule of law, or there is no violence, alongside with what they are agitating for. Agitation is also protest or rally, but since they are not violent in their endeavors, carrying out, awareness, so there is no, crime or cause for alarm. But by invading Sunday Igboho's house is another case that needed to be, checked thoroughly. That's why the court, need to, pass justice to whoever justice should be passed to, and lay verdicts upon whatever. Now 250,000 was charged to Malami, which is Malami AGF. Now the court is offering 50,000, but I believe the case is yet to be resolved. That's why it's been adjourned till August 30. Well, let's watch and see. I would like you to share your opinion and also share this news. Thanks for listening, and God bless you.